What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about a brand new gold exploration stage company called ORO X Mining. ORO X Mining has a very interesting project and a high quality management team. They're located in Peru, a past producing high grade gold mine. So we're going to talk all about the company. This is a full overview. We're going to take a look at the investor presentation. We're going to take a look at the stock price, pretty much introduce this company to the channel as this is the first time we're talking about it. And last but not least, before we dive into this video, also for full disclosure, this video is sponsored by Market Jar Media for ORO X Mining, so check the description down below for full disclosure details. And last but not least, if you do support me, the channel, and all the videos, there's two quick things I kindly ask, and we say it all the time, but it helps so very much. And that first thing is to kindly explode the like button. It takes just 1 second of your time, and it helps my videos so very much in the algorithm, along with dropping a comment down below and cashing that subscribe button and ringing the market bell for notifications on future videos if you do appreciate the constant flow of new and exciting companies that we talk about all the time. So anyways, like I said, drop me a comment, let me know what you think about this company. Personally, I've been impressed by the performance in gold recently. We did see it break above 1900. It's looking like it's going to be a pretty good year. So as you guys know, I'm a long-term gold and silver bull. I've invested into many different gold companies, silver companies. So I like the precious metal space. So, this could be an interesting time to take a look at ORO X Mining. So let's first take a look at the stock chart. I always like to see how the stock's traded, at least over the last couple of months. So it has a market cap of just $28 million and a 52-week range of 23 cents to 90 cents. Currently trading for, or as of this recording, it closed at 69 cents. So we can see here, guys, back there in August, it had a tremendous run. It's cooled off, consolidated. Looks like it found some support around 60 cents, and now we're heading higher. So with higher gold prices, hopefully we'll get some more performance out of ORO X Mining. But let's take a look at their website now, and then we're also going to dive into their investor presentation and all of that stuff. So ORO X Mining, high-grade gold exploration led by a team with a history of success. ORO X is advancing the Coriocco Gold Project, a past-producing high-grade gold project in Peru. Let's take a look and see what their website has to say, all the key points. So why invest in ORO X? So over $3.2 billion of shareholder value created over the last 13 years by members of their team. So a proven track record of success is very important in any industry, not just the gold mining exploration industry. So let's take a look at some of their past projects. And this is right on their website, oroxmining.com. So energy metals, 1.8 billion. Underworld Resources sold to Kinross. Potash 1 sold to KNS. Lithium 1. Gold Rock sold to Fortuna, Lithium X sold to NextView. So as we can see here, guys, there's all the deals. Obviously, take a look at their management team for more information on that. And then, of course, they've got their flagship gold project here, 2,000 hectares, the Cerro Domo mineralization, and that is their project there in Peru. So we're going to be getting into that in their investor presentation. Now, another piece of news that's very significant before we dive into their investor presentation is one of their most recent press releases, and that is ORO X announces OTC pink listing and DTC eligibility. So this is very important for American investors, looking to purchase this stock, because they need to be able to purchase it on the OTC. And whenever a company, has promotional efforts, it's always great when you see them, having an OTC listing with DTC eligibility. So let's read this real quick. So the company is pleased to announce the company's common shares have begun trading on the OTC Pink Open Market in the U.S. under ticker symbol WRPSF. The company's common shares will continue to trade on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol OROX, as well as the Frankfurt Exchange under ticker symbol WPZB. The company is pleased to report that its shares are now eligible for electronic clearing and settlement in the United States through the Depository Trust Company, DTC's. And then, you guys can look that up. But I think that that's very important for, liquidity in this stock and just being available to a much bigger base of investors. So that's pretty significant. Now let's take a look at their investor presentation. And this contains, most of the good stuff. Of course, I always encourage you guys to go on their website. If you are interested in this company, do your own research and due diligence. This video is strictly just for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. So investor presentation January 2021. So let's take a look here, guys. Their CEO, Luis Zapata, resources finance executive with 14 years of experience financing Latin American mining projects. So it's awesome that they have someone from the area, and hopefully we can get him on the channel for an interview as well. So once again, just to reiterate, The team has created over $3.2 billion worth of shareholder value in the past 13 years, so it's nice to know they've had some successful projects. Investment highlights. New company, team history of success. Lead advisor Paul Matzek, serial successful entrepreneur with 5 different buyouts in 4 different commodities totaling over $3.14 billion in shareholder value over the past 13 years. Flagship high-grade gold project, flagship gold project with past high-grade gold production, and local exploration team in Peru. Tight share structure, strong insider support, 4.2 million shares, issued and outstanding with over 25% held by insiders. That's very important. Peru, top mining jurisdiction. Exploration investments in Peru totaled $89.9 million in 21 gold projects and $73.6 million in silver across 11 projects in 2019. So it is, a top mining jurisdiction. Now let's talk a little bit about Peru. And it's also interesting, as we get into these different gold exploration companies to learn, about the country that they're in. So I think this is very important as well. So Peru is the world's #2 copper producer and the 6th largest gold producer in the world. Peru's gold production was reported at 143.3 tons in December of 2019, 21 billion in mining investments expected between 2019 and 2023, qualified mining workforce available. In 2009, the Fraser Institute ranked Peru the 10th country in the world on investment attractiveness. There are 52 gold mines and projects in the Ayachucho region where OroX projects are located. No currency restrictions with US dollar being used. So here is their flagship project, 2,000 hectares, the Cerro Domo. That's their main target, mineralization target LS epithermal vein system. I won't dive too much into the technical details here. We'll leave that for the CEO interview if we can get him on. Coriorco, known high-grade mineralization. So 2,000 hectares concession with 17 known mineralized veins at surface with widths of up to 2.5 meters within a 700 by 800 meter zone of intense hydrothermal alteration and epithermal mineralization. So let's quickly talk about some select rock chips from historical underground sampling, and that includes 22.9, 19.25 grams per ton, 14 and 13 grams per ton respectively. Average grade from surface sampling is 1.91 grams per ton over 181 samples. So their Coriorco flagship gold project, geological model and exploration potential. The outcropping quartz vein system is host to drill-ready targets located within an extensive belt of volcanic hydrothermal systems, which district-wide include a variety of mineralization styles. They also have the Las Antas gold project, high sulfidation bulk tonnage gold target adjacent to Coriorco. Hosted in the same volcanic sequence that hosts major deposits in southern Peru, the Las Antas project comprised of 2 concessions totaling 1,400 hectares directly adjacent to our Coriorco flagship project. Then we have their Ecuador asset spin-out potential. The Julian concession covers 2,312 hectares and surrounds the El Mozo high sulfidation epithermal gold project. And then last but not least, we have their Julian gold project. So let's take a look at the upcoming catalysts for 2021. In Q1, M&A assessment and 3D IP over Coriorco. Q2, 5,000 meter drill program for Coriorco. And 2021, Ecuador spin-out opportunity. So guys, of course there's more research to be done. It's an interesting small cap gold exploration stage company with an interesting project. Of course, I would say the most significant catalyst by the looks of it is going to be their Q2 5,000 meter drill program. So with companies like this, it's good to take a look at management. If the management has a proven track record of success, there must be a reason why, they're with this project. So like I said, more research to be done, but it's an interesting company in a rising gold environment, or at least fingers crossed, gold keeps going up. I'm bullish on gold for 2021. I'm excited to be talking about companies like ORO X Mining. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, drop me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think about Peru. Let me know what you think about this company in general. Love to hear it. But anyways, we're out of here, guys. And always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. And last but not least, for full disclosure, once again, this video is sponsored by Market Jar Media for ORO X Mining. Check the description down below for full disclosure details. And we're out of here, guys. We'll see you in our next video.